This channel explores our knowledge of the home winemaking hobby, from tips and tricks to recipes and tastings. We also occasionally branch out into hard lemonades, hard ciders, and frankenbrews that aren't your typical pub fare.
I'm Greg. I'm an Army vet and a computer programmer for over 30 years.
I'm Julie. I'm a sales and support specialist for a software company. When I'm not making wine or working, I enjoy doing community theater. Greg and I have been together for just short of 30 years. We have 4 adult children and 7 grandchildren. We also have 2 corgis, Pippin and Nori. They pretty much run the household most of the time. If you're new to winemaking or want to learn more about it, check out our growing list of videos, and please subscribe to our channel if you find the content valuable. We encourage you to comment on our videos if you see something compelling or have a suggestion or a question. If you like a video, please press the like button to let us know that we're on the right track. We don't profess to know everything about the hobby, but we're pretty sure if you watch our videos, you'll find something valuable to take home from them.
We release new videos on every Sunday at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and we also occasionally will put out additional content on Thursdays at the same time.
Thanks for stopping by. Cheers!